Hey, how's it going? This is George here from Crypto Elite. Welcome. I know it's been a long time since I did my last video, but it seems like 1 month in crypto is like 6 or 10 months in real life. So, yeah. Actually, today you are going to see how you can protect yourself from losing money when sending Ethereum from Metamask. So stick around because, okay, let me just say that last couple of years I stumbled upon lots of different issues that I wish I knew how to solve them. And so I figure out why not sharing them with you so you don't have to face the same issues, you know? So don't forget, I created this channel to help people like you with their crypto and sometimes, okay, with their lives too, but let's just leave that part for another video. And of course, don't forget what I say in this video is only personal opinion and don't take it as a financial advice because I really am not responsible for other people's losses. So yeah, you should already know that, I guess, by now. Okay, let's start. There is an issue when I've heard and I see a lot of people in the groups or wherever on the internet, they lose money when they send money from when they say Ethereum from Metamask to some exchange or wallet. The issue and the reason that this is happening is because people are sending Ethereum from another blockchain, from another network to another network. For example, when you want to send, for example, some Ethereum from the Binance Smart Chain to your Ethereum address on your typical exchange, for example, like this, there is a problem. There is a problem. If you are going to send Ethereum, let's say this is Ethereum. I am on Binance Smart Chain. Let's say the first example, it's from Binance Exchange or from Binance Smart Chain to Ethereum. If I send this token here, from here, to this address, will be lost forever. Why? Because since I am on a Binance Smart Chain, I need to adjust my address to be on a Binance Smart Chain, and I do this by clicking the beep 20 button. So now I am on the same chain here when I send Ethereum with this one here on my exchange. So when I want to send from here, I click send. Okay, I copy this address here, and let's say, for example, Ethereum is here, and yeah, send Ethereum. You are pasting the address, and then you are sending your Ethereum from Binance Smart Chain next to the Binance Smart Chain on your exchange. This is the case number one. So case number two is when you have some kind of BUSD, the USDT of the Binance, for example, and you want to send it into your main exchange. So you go BUSD and you go to the beep 20 BSC. If you go here and you copy this address and send it from here, BUSD, the money will be lost. Why? Because we are in the Binance Smart Chain here, and here we are in the Ethereum, but we need to be in the BSC. BSC means Binance Smart Chain, duh. So whenever you want to send money from one place to another, you have to, especially when using Metamask, you have to be sure that you are sending from the same type of network to the same type of network. So BSC is this, and here is this one. You will never find your money if you send it from here to here. So you get that? Okay, great. It's the same when you do the opposite, from here to here. When you want to send some money to your Binance Smart Chain network, you have to go there. You have to click your address here. This is your address here, and you're going to go, okay, withdrawal. You make sure you're on the same network, beep 20. You go here. So you go from here and you click copy. You're pasting the address here. Make sure you're on the BSC, and the same here, Binance Smart Chain. And when you hit submit, you will see the money here after a minute. If you go from there and you paste the address here, the money, will be lost. And oh, I forget to mention that you should add the BUSD token in your Metamask wallet in the Binance Smart Chain. You have to type the Google, you have to Google it and find the address, the contract address for BUSD on Metamask on Binance Smart Chain, and then you can see the tokens there. So I guess it's easy to find that address. In a minute you will find it, so no worries for that. And yeah, what else is there to say? By the way, I don't know if you have seen, a lot of things have happened the last couple of days, weeks or so, and as you can see, they are cracking down on Uniswap, but I guess that's not a big of a deal, because we know what happens when something gets big enough. The SEC, they are trying to bring them down, or at least they are trying to hit the biggest dog in the room. So there you have it. By the way, coins like Truebit, they are started to creating a rounded bottom. You know, rounded bottoms are like usually the ones that we see pumping like crazy after a certain period of time. And as we can see, the last pump, all-time high, not this one, I guess, let's just leave that out of the question for now. But for short term, it was around 1.4, and we are slowly rising up there. God knows where this is going to stop, but since we are very early, imagine, do you know how early this is? This is where the token started, and this is where it is now. So it's at a ground floor price, in my opinion. And yeah, that's that here. Yeah, actually, I've been planning to release a lot more videos like this of how to do things and how to avoid, trouble in crypto, because trust me, I have tried a lot of things. It's the best. What is better way to learn crypto from people that have already been in a trap and find their way out? So there I am, sharing and caring for you. So yeah, I guess that's it for today, and keep your eyes open for the next video. And if you have actually, yeah, that's a good idea. If you have some questions like this one, for example, that we talk about today, how to avoid losing money using MetaMask. If you have similar questions or issues that want me to cover, please, yeah, let me know on the comments below. Yeah, I guess it's my pleasure to answer them on with another video and take it from there. Okay, see you next time. Take care and bye bye.